What if you could not only fix your gut, but make it unbreakable? In this video, we are going to talk about exactly that. Most videos on YouTube stop at explaining what a leaky gut is, what happens when your gut barrier lets things slip into your bloodstream, or what diseases it might cause. We will go beyond that. We will look at the mechanical, biological, immune and neural layers that make gut resilient. And we will show you the daily science-based actions that actually strengthen them. Everything we talk about here is rooted in evidence, designed to help you not just understand your gut, but rebuild it. Because our mission at Gutsphere is simple: to make GI care and gut health accessible, affordable, and actionable. We believe everyone has the power to be the pilot of their own health, and we are building your GI co-pilot to help you do exactly that. I am Bimal Maharjan, founder of Gutsphere, and in this video, we will learn how to make your gut unbreakable. Let's begin. You have probably heard the phrase leaky gut. It's everywhere, in podcasts, TikToks, and wellness ads promising to seal your gut in 7 days. But here is what it really means. Your intestinal lining is only one cell thick, thinner than tissue paper. Yet, it protects your bloodstream from trillions of microbes and foreign proteins every second. This barrier is built from tight junctions, microscopic gates that open and close intelligently. They let nutrients in and toxins out. But when stress, infections, or processed foods inflame your gut, those gates loosen. It's as if your body's customs checkpoint goes understaffed. Undigested particles slip through. Your immune system sounds the alarm. Cytokines flood the bloodstream, and inflammation spreads beyond your gut to your joints, your skin, even your brain. That's when you start feeling it: bloating, fatigue, anxiety, rashes, brain fog. But leaky gut isn't a disease, it's a signal, a warning that your system's defenses are out of sync. And sealing the holes isn't the answer. You have to rebuild the whole defense system that keeps the gut resilient. Think of your gut as a living fortress, not made of bricks, but of cells, microbes, and neural circuit. Layer 1, the mechanical barrier. Your epithelial cells are the walls. They're bound together by tight junctions and covered in mucus, a shield that renews every few hours. Layer 2, the biological barrier. Your residents, trillions of microbes, fight off invaders, digest fiber, and produce butyrate, the molecule that literally feeds your gut wall. Layer 3, the immune barrier. Your guards, secretory IgA antibodies and regulatory T cells, decide who to tolerate and who to attack. Layer 4, the neural barrier. Your command center, the gut-brain axis. Signals flow through the vagus nerve. One stressful thought can loosen tight junctions within minutes. When one layer weakens, the others crumble in sympathy. Stress disrupts the neural layer. Inflammation rises, mucus thins, microbes shift, the wall breaks. That's not a leak. That's a system failure. And our goal isn't to patch the wall, it's to reinforce every layer so your gut bends but never breaks. Why guts break? The real root causes. 1. Chronic stress. Cortisol pries open tight junctions. Your body thinks digestion can wait while you escape danger. But these days, the predator is your email inbox. 2. Circadian disruption. Your gut runs on a 24-hour clock. Late night meals, screen, light, and skipped breakfast confuse that rhythm. When your gut clock goes off-beat, even healthy food becomes inflammatory. Third, nutrient deficiency. Zinc, glutamine, vitamin A, omega-3s, these are the raw materials of mucosal repair. Without them, your wall can't rebuild. 4. The spices, antibiotics, low-fiber diets, and excessive sanitation shrink microbial diversity. Without butyrate producers, inflammation simmers silently. 5. Sleep debt. Deep sleep is your gut nightly repair cycle. Miss it repeatedly and your microscopic cracks never heal. Most people chase surface symptoms, bloating, gas, reflux, but those are only signals. The deeper issue is that your communication network, brain, microbes, and immunity has lost harmony. Now let's talk about the 5 levers to make your gut unbreakable. Let's rebuild the system. 5 levers, 5 daily dials of resilience. 1. Barrier integrity, physical firewall. For that, hydrate well. Eat soluble fibers like oats, chia, and okra. Add zinc, carnosine, aloe vera gel, or bone broth if tolerated. They supply glycine and glutamine for epithelial repair. Eat slowly, in stillness. The body can't digest in chaos. Number 2, microbial balance, biological firewall. Feed your allies 30 plant foods a week. Herbs and spices count. Rotate fibers to grow new species. Include small, steady doses of fermented foods. Diversity beats dominance. Skip Mikadose probiotic fats. 3. Immune tolerance, chemical firewall. Train your immune system instead of silencing it. Omega-3s, turmeric, and polyphenols modulate inflammation. 5 minutes of deep belly breathing before meals lowers stress hormones and boosts secretory IgA, your mucosal peacekeeper. 4. Nervous system regulation, neural firewall. You cannot heal in fight or flight mode. Activate the vagus nerve daily. Cold water on the face, humming, slow exhales, prayers, or even singing. Anything that tells your body you are safe. Wake up with sunlight. Sleep at consistent times. Your gut clock listens to your brain clock. And number 5, metabolic recovery, energy firewall. Your gut repairs through energy. That energy comes from mitochondria nourished by rhythm and rest. Eat within 10-hour daylight window. Front load protein. Stop eating 2 hours before bed and sleep before midnight when repair genes peak. Here is a reflection question for you. Which of these levers feel weakest in your life right now? Because your gut is only as strong as its weakest defense. Healing isn't a protocol, it's a practice. Every choice, what you eat, when you rest, how you breathe, signals your gut to strengthen or surrender. True health isn't the absence of disease, it's the presence of adaptability. It's when your system can take a hit, a bad meal, a stressful week, a long flight, and bounce back stronger. That's what I call an unbreakable gut. I know this personally. Years of constipation, inflammation, and trial taught me that no pill can outperform consistency. What finally worked was building habits that supported my body's own intelligence. That's why I built Gutsphere, to help you do the same. It's a daily co-pilot that tracks your bowel health, sleep, hydration, nutrition, and stress, helping you see patterns invisible to guesswork. You don't need perfection. You need partnership with your own biology. Start with one lever, one habit, one mindful meal, because momentum is medicine. Your gut has been your silent guardian since birth, processing every bite, absorbing every shock, fighting every unseen battle. It doesn't ask for perfection, it asks for care. So don't just aim to heal your gut, aim to strengthen it, to make it unbreakable. If you are ready to start that practice, join the Gutsphere community or download the GI Copilot at Gutsphere.com. Also, I have placed the link in the description, and you can find also in the comment section, because resilience isn't something you buy, it's something you build daily.